This is my first makeup haul video. I'm so damn excited to share my makeup products which I use daily. So if you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Preeta. Subscribe to my channel. So I bought this products from a website called purple.com only under rupees 300. Isn't that good? So if you want to purchase these products, I'll share all the price and the link in the description box below. So let me tell you what purple.com is. It's a website. They have an app as well. So this website has all makeup products and skincare at a very affordable range, like from around 30-50 rupees. Every time you visit them, visit their website, it's like all the time you'll see just offers and discounts, buy one get one, 20% off, 30% off. So if you want to know what I have purchased, please keep on watching. Let's start with the products I bought. This is what I got. You can see like 12 items. Okay, so I'll pick a product. So this is Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade 118 Light Beige. It's a compact powder with SPF 28. Let's see what it says. Up to 12-hour oil control, micro powder absorbs sebum and sweat, skin fitting pigments blend in with natural skin tone, sun protection SPF 28. Net content is 8 grams. MRP return on this product is 199 and I got this for only rupees 139. Now you can see how much difference does it make to order from their site. Let's take another product. I got this NY Way primer. This says it blends like a dream. Oh my god. Hydrating in nature, lightweight formula, minimizes pores, smoothens skin and perfect base to flawless look. And this retails for rupees 225. It's 15 grams, which is okay it's okay for a beginner, and I got this for rupees 169. I have seen many of the YouTubers and makeup artists using this NYB primer, so I thought let's give it a try. So next, these are Bella cotton pads and it has got 30 pieces in it. These are 100% cotton and it retails for around 55 rupees and I got it for 50 rupees. Nice. Next product is Maybelline the Hyper Curl Mascara. I have applied it right now and it gives a perfect curl, and this retails for around 310. The MRP is 310 for 9.2 ml and I got it for only just 186. And for beginner, this is the perfect mascara you can hop on. Okay, so you can buy this. I got this 4 NYB concealer. One is orange corrector, a green corrector, and two of them for highlight. One is this Bronx Zoo shade. This is green corrector. Next is this orange corrector, and one more shade is this toffee. I know it's not visible, but I'll put all this in the description box below. It retails for rupees 115 for 4.25 grams. I'll show you. It is a lipstick type packaging and it's pigmented, you know. You see, you can see the pigmented. It's highly pigmented, like it blends very well and it suits my skin very perfectly. So you can see this, it got blended so easily. And it's the best concealer I have used till now and it's very affordable, and I got it for rupees 86. Wet n Wild eyeshadow. This is in the shade Panther E3477A. I wanted a black eyeshadow for my smoky eye look, which I'll be doing it very soon. It retails for rupees 135 for 1.7 grams. I got this for rupees 99. So next is this Stay Quirky Badass Kajal. It says it is water resistant, smudge proof and dermatologically tested. So I'll swatch it off for you and show. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It glides on so easily, like I'm not applying any pressure, but it glides very good. Smudge proof and water resistant. Let me show you. See, it smudges off. I don't know why they have said this, but it smudges off. I'm just applying a very normal pressure on it and it still smudges off. But for a beginner, it's a good kajal. And this got for only 94 rupees, and what do you expect in 94 rupees? Next product I bought is this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. It has got this puller ahead and a pencil on this side. I have used this. It has got this pencil over here. It's in the shade brown, dark brown color, and it retails for 299 and I got it for rupees 218 rupees. Like for a beginner, it's good. I have used it a lot. See, you can see this. It's a dark brown shade. You can check this out. So the next product is this NYB White Kohl Kajal, and it's water resistant, smudge proof and dermatologically tested. This is what it looks like. It's not purely white, it's like in a silver shade or something. This is how it looks. See, it's not perfectly white in color, it's grayish in color. I have applied this today and this is how it looks. So it retails for rupees 85 for 2.5 grams. I got this for only 64 rupees. So that's it. So here I finished all my makeup products. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.